Very good morning, cadets. We are completed. We are in exercise part of the chapter number 6, that is political parties. We have completed question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Today let us check question number 7. Match the list 1, that is organization and struggles, with the list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. Congress Party, Bharatiya Janata Party, Communist Party of India, Marxist, Telugu Desam Party. Congress Party, you should understand that Congress Party is an alliance partner or leading an alliance group called United Progressive Alliance, that is called UPA. Presently UPA is a opposition party in the central government. BJP is leading an alliance partner called National Democratic Alliance, that is NDA. Presently NDA is a ruling party in the central. Communist Party of India is a party which follows the left front. Telugu Desam Party is a party belongs to the state of Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So here options are given to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the columns and answer. So you have to answer here. 1 for C, 2 for A, 3 for D, 4 for B. Okay, 4 for B. For example, Telugu Desam Party, 4, that is B, state party. 1 for C. 1 for C means 1 for C, 1 Congress Party. What is C? United Progressive Alliance. 2 for A. 2 Bharatiya Janata Party, A, that is National Democratic Alliance. 3 for D. 3 for D, that is the Communist Party of India, Marxist, it is a left front. 4 for B. 4 Telugu Desam Party, that is a state party. So this is the match the following, that is question number 7. Please write down this box. And the answer box is C option. This is answer. Okay. C, A, D, B, that is the answer. Question number 8. Who among the founder of Bahujan Samajwadi Party? Bahujan Samajwadi is a national party, that is BSP. BSP is a very powerful national party. Its presence is there mainly in Uttar Pradesh. So question is, who is the founder? Answer is displayed there, of course, Kanshi Ram. Who is the founder of Bahujan Samajwadi Party? Is Kanshi Ram. And what about, do you feel Shahu Maharaj, B.R. Ambedkar, Jyotiba Phule got influence? Definitely. When we studied about BSP, we studied that Bahujan Samajwadi Party is a party which is inspired from the ideologies of the majorly the leaders you see here. Bahujan Samajwadi Party formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kanshi Ram. And what Bahujan Samajwadi Party seeks? BSP seeks to represent the secure power to Bahujan Samaj, which includes Dalits, Adivasi, OBC, minorities, and BSP, that is Bahujan Samajwadi Party, drawn inspiration from the ideas of Shahu Maharaj, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Periyar Ramaswamy Naicker, Ambedkar. What we have to understand that Sahu Maharaj, Jyotiba Phule, Periyar Ramaswamy Naicker, Sri Narayan Guru, Ambedkar, all these are the great leaders who fought for the upliftment of the downtrodden or the lower sections of the people or the lower caste people. That's why Bahujan Samajwadi Party, that is Bahujan Samaj Party, BSP, definitely upholds the inspiration or the ideas of the people who, like the great philosophers or thinkers like Shahu Maharaj, B.R. Ambedkar, Jyotiba Phule. But who started Bahujan Samajwadi Party? Kanchiram. Presently, who is the leader of Bahujan Samajwadi Party? That is Kumari Mayawati. Kumari Mayawati is the leader of Bahujan Samajwadi Party. Question number 9. What is guiding philosophy of Bharatiya Janata Party? Whenever we studied about the national party, we studied about the major ideologies or philosophy of every political party. The question is that what is the guiding philosophy of Bharatiya Janata Party? That is Bahujan Samaj, revolutionary democracy, integral humanism, modernity. Let us check this. Okay. BJP founded in 1980, reviving the erstwhile Bharatiya Janasangh. BJP want to build a strong and modern India by drawing inspiration from India, ancient culture, Indian culture. Cultural nationalism is an important element of Indian nationhood and politics. BJP wants territorial and political integration of Jammu and Kashmir with India. Introduction of uniform civil code for the people living in the country, irrespective of religion, and ban on religious conversions. BJP increased is the rule based or support. Okay, so in this, what option is given in the question which is asked? Integral humanism, option is not there. Then the option of Bahujan Samaj is not there. Revolution democracy is not there. So only option is modernity. So support the modern principles. That is the major idea of Bharatiya Janata Party. But please remember, such easy questions very rare to ask in the CBSE examinations. So please remember what are the guiding philosophy of every political party which I displayed. Okay, that is a guiding philosophy of BJP, Congress, BSP, CPI, CPM, NCP. Okay, all the political parties majorly have a lot of guiding philosophies and some common philosophy like development, modernity, secularism. This is very common across the political parties, you can see, but very rare, like introduction of uniform civil code, abolition of Article 370, construction of Ram Mandir. These are the very specific to BJP, like that support the secularism, support the religious minority, support the national integration of the country, very special to Congress. Support the Bahujan Samaj, that is Dalits, minorities, backward community, OBC, Adivasi, very special to Bahujan Samaj. So like that, every political party got their own unique philosophy. So please go through once again those slides related to the national parties. Okay, I hope you completed 9th. 10th. Consider the following statements on the parties. Political parties do not enjoy much trust among the people. B. Parties often rocked by scandals involving top party leaders. C. Parties are not necessary to run the government. Which of the following statement is above is correct? A, B, C all are correct. A and B correct. B and C correct. A and C is correct. So answer is displayed here, that is B, A and B. That is, political parties do not enjoy much trust among the people. That's true, because very few maybe 50% or less than 50% of people who trust political parties. That is true. Second, what is second? Most of the time, we every day when you watch news, you definitely we come across one or other scandals involved by the political party. That's very common. But third is not that common, because political parties are definitely meant to run the government. So that's why C cannot be considered as correct. That's why answer is B. That is A and B. Okay. Now question number 11. Question number 11. It is a paragraph. Okay. After reading this a paragraph, you have to write your own opinion. That is, do you agree with the statement and fears expressed by the various people? Who do you want this party organized to make it different from the other parties? If you were one to begin the party, how would you defend it? So, okay, you have to read this. I'll read for you. Muhammad Yunus is a famous economist of Bangladesh. He received several international honors for his effort to promote economic and social development for the benefit of poor. He and the Grameen Bank he started jointly received the Nobel Peace Prize in 2006. In February 2007, he decided to launch a political party and contest in a parliamentary elections. His objective was so foster proper leadership, good governance, and build a new Bangladesh. He felt that only a political party different from traditional one would bring about new political culture. His party would be democratic from the grassroots level. The launching of new party called Nagarik Shakti, that is Citizens Power, has caused a stir among Bangladeshis. While many welcomed his decision, some did not like it. Now, I think Bangladesh will have a chance to choose between good and bad and eventually have a good government, said Shafidul Islam, a government official. The government, we hope, would not only keep itself away from the corruption but also make fighting corruption and black money a top priority. But the leaders of traditional political parties who dominated the country's politics for decades were very apprehensive. There was no debate winning the Nobel, but politics is different. I think it is a mistake of okay. Very challenging and often controversial, said a senior leader of Bangladesh Nationalist Party. Some others were highly critical. They asked why he was rushing into politics. Is he being planted in politics by mentors from outside the country? Asked the political observer. Do you think Yunus made a right decision to float a new political party? Do you agree with the statement and fears expressed by the various people? How do you want this new party organized to make it different from other parties? If you were one to begin this political party, how you do defend it? Now, question is here. Definitely, you see, I'll quote an example. Veteran leaders like Anna Hazare, he became very popular because of his strike for introduction of that bill, which is introduction of the bill in which the political leaders, the corrupt leaders of political parties can be stopped. Okay, introduction of Lokpal bill. But when Anna Hazare reached the zenith of popularity, Arvind Kejriwal, who was an active participant in that movement, he turned that movement into a political party called Aam Aadmi Party. You know, the Aam Aadmi Party got the momentum from that very movement which is started by Anna Hazare, and as a result, you see, Aam Aadmi Party could win elections, and Arvind Kejriwal became the Chief Minister of Delhi. Like this, there are few examples where few popular movements turned into political parties, and these political parties gained the short term majority of popularity, and they landed in making of framing the government. So what I just give a input. So here you have to write your own answer. What the Bangladesh Nobel Award winner had, what he done is correct, or what is done is not correct. If it is correct, then you have to explain why it is correct. If you feel a Nobel winner, a person who he may be very honest or a very good person, he should not be into a politics. Rather, he should select his own way in which he can help to the people. So this is purely depends on your personal opinion. That's what, in the sense, you should able to defend the argument. That's why it is the answer you have to write. Do you think Yunus made a right decision to float a new political party? If so, then you have to explain. If no also, then you have to explain. Okay. Then, do you agree with the statement and fears expressed by the various people? Means, few said that what he got, few said that maybe some other countries are forcing him to frame the political party. So, mention or explain your own opinions. How do you want new party organized to make it different from other parties? If you were one to begin this political party, how you do defend it? So imagine yourself, you are starting a political party, then how you defend the beginning of a political party. Okay. So with this I completed chapter number 6, that is the political parties. Okay. In the next class I'll quickly go through the revision slides of the chapter number 6. After that I complete the last chapter of democratic politics, and then I'll take the history. Okay, take care, wish you a wonderful day.